how's it going, guys? Inside a 2019 Toyota CHR SUV. I'm going to show you how to reset the maintenance required visit your dealer light that comes on for oil maintenance and reminders, stuff like that. So we're going to be using this right here, mainly the trip button up top, arrows and back you may need to use to toggle out. For this, we're going to want to get it into trip A. So you cycle through odometer, get it to trip A. Mine says 0 because it's already we already just reset it to 0, but it could show mileage in there. So we get to trip A. Now we want to turn the car off completely. When we turn it on, we're going to be holding this trip button. We're going to turn the ignition to the second position, which is ignition on, engine off. And if you have a push start car, push to start vehicle, you're going to press it twice without putting your foot on the brake pedal so you don't start the car. Now I might have to put the phone down and show you, but we'll go through it. All right, car is off, ignition is off. Now we're going to hold this right here. As we hold that button, we're going to turn the ignition on, and you see those zeros right there, those dots kind of resetting maintenance data, no messages, and you can let go. Now you're free to do what you want. Turn the ignition off and on. Let's turn the car back on to confirm that the maintenance light is off. And boom, no message. We are good to go. Thank you guys for watching.